So in this section I'm going to discuss how to add this rotating image animation. So we'll create that one. So for that I'm going to use image inside this folder. I have some image inside this folder. I'm going to use that image for this particular task. Okay, so first we'll add the HTML content, right? So this card division, I'm going to add another division with the ID. Rotating gallery style will be relative. Then outer width will be 500px and height will be again 500px. We'll add another division ID with the name carousel. Right, now image will be changed using the JavaScript, right? So I'm going to use JavaScript to change this image. So first we'll add the CSS style, then not we'll move into the JavaScript part. So this will be our rotating gallery. For the rotating gallery, I'm going to add this style. Perspective will be none. Then not we have carousel. Transform origin will be, so I'm going to put center into center. Then not animation will be, I'm going to put name as rotate. Duration will be 30 seconds. Linear will be timing function. And then after it will be infinite. Okay, so now we'll put the image style also inside carousel. We have image icon. For that again position will be absolute. Cover. Then after I'm going to add some shadow. So rotate. I'm going to rotate this into from 0 degree to 360 degree. Okay, now we'll add the image by using the JavaScript, right? So we can use JavaScript to add the image. by id will be carousel. Image folder will be imgs folder. So I have all the images inside this imgs folder. We'll create the array of image from this one. So names will be photo1.jpg, I'm going to take a copy of this one. And we'll change the image numbers. Photo 1, this will be photo 2, 3, 4. 6 again. This one will be 1, 2. You can rename with your photo names. I'm just duplicating. Right, so I have this thing. Then I'm going to get the radius for the center. Constant radius will be 180 degree. Constant center y will be again 250. Dot for each source comma I will be equal to constant image will be document dot get element by id. So we'll create element document dot create element image will be img, right? So we are going to create img tag. img.src will be equal to image folder dot src. Right, so now we are going to load image here. Constant angle will be equal to angle minus 50. Append child, this will be image. Okay, this is it. Now we have this image, but images are not loading correctly. Let's see what is wrong. So our path is okay. I have to put this slash sign here. imgs folder we have. Then after we have our id carousel. Let's see. Inspect what is there. By in the where to load faces the server respond with this data undefined. All right, so here I put the dot symbol, not dot, it should be plus symbol. Right, so now we have created this rotating animation. In the next video we will discuss how to put that image by the month. Right, then after we can finally move into the gate part. So now we have this nice website, right? Happy birthday kind of things are there.